Ducati Desert X. So here we have the rally version, di ba? And the standard Desert X. So I'll let them talk about it. But first, ano
I'd
ba?
like to thank Ducati for lending us the first rally.
Medyo malinis naman siya, oh. Tingnan mo. Okay naman siya.
First day out on Philippine roads, the Desert X Rally.
Let's get straight to the point. Anong feedback in comparison with the standard Desert X? All of you have experience riding Ducati Desert X. May Desert X ka. May Desert X ka. Na-ride mo ngayon yung Desert X. So, and then you rode the Desert X rally version. So, feedback muna.
For me, the Desert X Standard was already like one of the most perfect bikes for me, for what I do. I was so shocked with the rally na how much better it got pa just from the change of the suspension. Night and day. It's like a different motorcycle already. Very, very good bike.
How's the weight may different
On paper, I even believe that the rally might be a little heavier, but you don't feel it. Even they were pushing the bikes, they feel like this is lighter. But on paper, I believe it's the same or even a little heavier. Maybe because of the suspension, but feels like a totally different bike.
So, may price difference ba yung dalawa?
1,550, 1,590. But the 1,550 now of the standard comes with some accessories na.
Right. So 40K difference. May upgrades from aside to the suspension, or
Seats,
all of those go to suspension.
Seat suspension, the XL rims. The only difference also tube to. Which I
okay.
personally, for rides like FJ Moto like that, I'd prefer. I would have to change this to a tubeless
Okay.
system.
So rims, ano pa iba?
Suspension,
Seat.
seat,
Ito
Rally
naka-rally
seat,
seat. Okay.
and I think the bash plate is different also.
Carbon to, di ba?
Yeah.
But even sa standard, carbon din naman yan,
No.
di ba? Hindi ba? Okay. So maybe yun yung isa sa weight savings. Yung
No. Oh yes. And a steering damper.
Okay.
All-in steering damper.
all of those for 40K difference. So sulit na.
But
di ba?
the standard now comes with aux tanks and crash guard. So
Okay,
1,550
okay.
and the aux tanks are 90,000. The crash guards are around 50,000. So may konting
May
off, may putik pa sa bibig.
Para kanino yung Desert X? Sinong dapat bumili nito? Kasi may MTS naman, di ba? May multistrada.
Mostly if you wanna do off-road talaga, na hardcore
Mga
rocks.
trail experience,
talaga, trail. May enjoy nila yung DX. Kasi yung static balance niya is ang ganda. Sa lahat ng na-try ko, even Tenere, and, ano talaga siya well-balanced bike. Even sa mga putek, ganyan. Okay siya.
Magkano ulit ang
Yung
Desert X?
1.550.
1.550. So at that price range, ang dami mo ng options, di ba?
Actually,
So why would you go for Desert X over the others?
Sarap eh.
ang sarap eh. if
Hindi talaga. Hindi mo explain, ano?
If you really have like a budget, hindi mo siya pag-iisipan eh. Like, pag na-try mo siya, coming from a Tenere bike, of course, mapapaisip ka siya dalawang Tenere na to. Pero nung na-try ko sa demo kasi, malayo eh. I mean, hindi siya malayo. It's more perfect bike siya for me sa ginagawa kong mga rides. And I wanna, parang mas tinuruan niya pa ako mag-offroad. Parang ganun. It's a well-balanced bike talaga for all.
It's such a good bike. Hindi ako makakatulog. I have to figure out
Sold.
the game plan.
Toti. Sold na raw. Sold na raw.
Yeah.
Bigel. So ikaw, galing ka na, ang bike mo is Africa Twin.
Africa Twin.
Okay, ito yung question ko sa'yo. Anong difference nito dun sa Africa Twin?
Okay, so coming from an Africa Twin, ito, yung center of gravity na. Sobrang
Static balance.
perfect talaga. Kaya pwede mo siya i-crawl, pwede mo rin siya bakbakan sa trail. You have the option. Tapos gusto ko dito, yung power balance. So kung gusto mong di nagtitrail, sa road ka naman, pwede mo rin siyang bigyan doon. May high-end power siya eh. Africa kasi puro torque yan eh. Pag high-end, wala na. Tapos mabigat ang Africa Twin. Ito, sarap. Para ka lang
Ganyan.
cruising ka lang. Sobrang gaanong, kahit mabigat siyang bike, it's lighter when you're riding it.
So if you have 1.5 million now, would you go...
Sold na.
yun na sagot doon. Japanese known for reliability, parts availability. But again, it goes back to my question. Why would you go for...
Africa Twin does not fall into the typical.
si Regan?
Well, it's reliable, but the parts are hard to find.
So, ganun din.
Tsaka mahal yung parts ng Africa. Hindi siya like typical Japanese bikes. Tsaka hirap pumanap ng parts, right?
Ano yung mga electronics ito? Can you walk us through yung features ng Desert X?
So, well, they're both tuned, so they both have the Terminioni exhaust. So, I think it's an additional 5-10 horsepower. It's a little expensive, but once you put on the Terminioni, it remaps and the Evo comes out on my MTS and ibang iba. So the Evo comes out because it's remapped by Ducati. So you have the urban mode. Urban mode cuts the power in half so that it's more chill and more fuel efficient on the road. Enduro mode as well. Enduro mode kills the rear ABS and also cuts the power in half. But you can set it more powerful. And when you want, if you're a really good rider, I'd use it once in a while, but I'm not able to max it out. The rally mode, which is the enduro mode, but full power. The ibang-iba yun. And then for the road, Sport Evo.
Medyo nakakatakot na yung rally mode siguro.
Yeah. You have to respect.
But can you tune it? Can you fine tune it? There's
Everything.
You go to a mode and then you can still fine tune
Yes.
everything.
You can make it low power, medium power, full power. And every mode, what I like about this bike, every mode you enter, you can tune it, everything.
Seryoso?
Yeah.
May canvas ka every mode. So halimbawa, rally mode, you can set the wheel control, the ABS.
Every time you turn off the bike and turn on the bike, you don't have to reset everything. It's still there.
Yun ang pinaka-okay.
Maganda talaga.
Yun ang pinaka-okay kasi halos lahat ng bike it resets once you turn it off, di ba?
And what I like also, while moving, you can do it. You can change modes. You don't have to come to a complete stop. Yun yung
Okay,
gusto ko.
on the fly.
Yeah, so you can shift from modes.
Let go of the throttle.
Let go of the throttle.
Nice. Mark, so ikaw, dami mong bike eh. Di ba? So, ang dami mong bike eh. So, anong characteristics nito compared to the others that you have? You have Tenere eh. Di ba? You have Africa Touring.
Yeah,
You have,
I think you really don't. To understand the feeling of owning a Ducati, you really have to go for a test ride. There's a lot of emotion and feeling about it that hindi mo ma-describe. And doing the proper training as well, nakikita mo yung, like road, hindi ko na ma-maximize the road. So I went with the Ducati guys. I did some track, so you're able to see all the features. What I like about this, yung breadth of capability. Yung, kumbaga, kung off-road and on-road, certain bikes are really good off-road, konti lang on-road. This one, ang layo ng capability off-road and on-road. From end to end, kuha niya yung breadth of capability ng...
So in that sense, so if I have a 1.5, do I add a little more to get MTS or I'll just settle for this? Kasi
Different
siya-
bike. Different bike.
Talaga.
Different. It's
Okay.
like, do you want to wear your running shoes or you want to wear your...
Right.
It's totally different experience. But of course, the MTS can probably do what we did today. But this will do it with more ease. Again, in that sense, ano na yan, nasa rider na. Like Jerwin Matibag naman, during the last FJ Moto, he used to rally.
Right.
So, kaya naman. But this does it easier.
Joe, experience sa FJ Moto using a Desert X. Of course, other than I know you have a bad experience, but that could happen to any bike, right? So hindi naman yun
Was
specific
just-
to Desert X. But
For me, talaga, like I said kanina, it's personally kasi yun nga, coming from also Tenere and ibang bigger bikes na off-road, nung na-try ko talaga siya, unang-una sa off-road, yung static balance,
Yun
parang
talaga.
you can really wade through the off-road. Tapos nung sa FJ, ang gaan niya dalhin eh. The maneuvering, ang gaan. Yung even yung mga uphill, hindi siya nahirapan. And then even the comfort, kasi 'di ba siya, endurance in a way. Hindi ako napagod. Sa Tenere may onting pagod ako nung parang ginamit ko sa malayo. Even yung likod ko hindi rin napagod, ganun.
so komportable.
There is less forgiving.
Yeah.
Miguel, kanina na-drop mo yung Desert X.
Oo nga. Ako pa lang yung fourth time na nakabagsak ng Desert X ni Mark.
Feedback nung na-drop mo, magaan, tayo?
Mas
or
madali
na-
siyang buhatin definitely sa Africa. So far. Kasi yung Africa, pag bumagsak, flat yan eh. Parang siyang dead weight. Ito, bilis lang.
If you're a newbie, let's say coming from scooter, right? You know how to ride, you know how to do manual. But going to adventure bike, would you recommend Desert X?
Not yet. You're gonna die.
That depends. Teka, ako kasi, I took a different route. I bought the biggest bike I could get, and then I invested in training. So sabi ng friends ko naman, ibang logic, I'll save you money. Hindi ka na dadadan small, big. So sabi niya, go straight to what you want and then get the best training you can.
Pero mag-train ka.
But you have to train a bit.
tama.
So learn to ride ako on that bike. And
Ganda ng rally seat, no? I mean,
yeah, it's
mas
not as,
pumogi
it's
siya,
not
di ba?
as comfortable though. As the,
Talaga?
Yeah. Not as comfortable.
Paano not as
It's
comfortable?
for long rides.
Is it narrower? Or?
It's narrower.
Okay.
There's one thing lang, the side stands parang so tall. At 5'11", I'm having a hard time putting the side stand up. So parang,
okay.
parang sweet spot nito is mga 6'1", 6 feet 6'1".
tangkad, ano?
Yeah.
Naka-tiptoe ka ba?
Tiptoe. Yeah.
So Joe, ikaw, anong... ha?
Floating.
Floating ka?
Yan.
sitting on it later.
Sige.
Ang ano lang, ang weird lang kasi yung side stand nito, walang hook. So I couldn't pull the...
Hindi mo masungkit.
Oo.
Di ba sinusungkit ng boots?
Wala eh. Hirap eh.
So,
Tapos
may-
kanina, nung inaakyat ko, yung sa akin kasi naka-lowering kit. So, napupush ko siya. Eto, hindi. Nagpatulong ako kanina kay Mark eh. Mark, help.
Oo. So yun lang. But don't worry, give it a week. Nothing Lazada Racing can
Yeah.
produce. So may Lazada Racing na yan soon. Test ride. Can you go to Ducati store and then just do
Yeah,
test
yeah.
ride?
They
have this,
regularly have in Alabang, Pampanga. They have all the whole lineup of bikes from street bikes to. They let you try the bikes. Yeah.
Okay.
Off road, siguro not too many people kasi you just buy your own muna then you.
Tama,
yeah, you don't
tama,
need naman to go full off road to understand the bike. So normally on road, yes, they have off road.
Yung ownership, like, so how's the parts and yung mga,
yeah,
like,
it's
magastos
good.
ba?
I've never had the
maintenance?
it's an Italian product, of course, may konting presyo. But yun nga yung surprise, I have an Africa Twin also. Minsan, pareho lang yung price.
Magkano ano na Africa Twin? Siguro mga 8K, 6 to 8K ang PMS?
Actually, tanong mo siya kasi...
Parang 10,000. 10,000 yung PMS ng
Eto,
African.
compare
11.
dito. So it's not bad. Ganun din.
Yeah, not bad. The Ducati, so far, all the parts, palagi, everything nandyan.
Any downside? Like what's
Can you drop a bike like this?
Actually.
Can
tama
you?
yun. Kaya nung na-drop ni Miguel kanina.
Yeah, kupal yun.
Actually,
Can
hindi
you?
siya nasaktan eh. Yung pressure, yung bulsa yung medyo...
Ako kasi, okay lang sa akin eh. Kasi it's a tool used for this.
Yeah.
So, look at it as a tool, not like a display piece sa garahe mo, not like expensive furniture.
Right.
You look at it as a power tool that you use to do a certain tool, then pwedeng gaskasan. But does everyone have that?
Yeah.
Yun talaga, parang people, hindi kasi some of our dirt bikes are
Pang mayaman
800.
to eh.
Parang some dirt bikes are 800 grand.
Yeah.
So parang, why will I buy a dirt bike? Tapos gaganyanin ko. So, if you
Actually,
can get
it
over
makes
that,
sense.
if you can get over that.
Ano?
Mental, preparedness na okay lang mabagsak.
Gaganda yung riding mo.
Mas gaganda ride mo. Kasi pag takot ka mabagsak, wala eh. Babantayan mo yung bike eh.
Tama,
The few times nga muntik ako nahulog today kasi sobrang ingat.
Anong katapat nito na bikes? 890, ganun.
Basically, it's a 890, which is soon going to be the 990, the Triumph 900, GS 900. So, yun yung...
Ito yung
all the 900.
Norden.
Yeah,
Ay, hindi.
Norden 901.
Pero this is the highest, di ba?
Tallest.
Tallest.
It's the tallest bike in its class. 1590.
1590.
Yeah.
Pucha.
Sakto, may 90 na ako.
Small bike, I think to just get the DX.
The truth is naman, at our skill level, we'll never be able to maximize this.
yeah.
It's just nice to have it.
Exact.
Hindi naman tayo Poltaris di ba? So, if you can't get this, get the other one. Konti lang yung difference.
Pabago mo ganda ng colorway nito. Sobrang ganda ng colorway nito.
Gray, no?
Oo, sobra.
Ay, hindi, putik pala yun.
Ducati, sorry medyo. Hindi, okay naman, naputikan lang. Hindi naman, wild
drops
din.
today.
No drops, no drops.
Once you've tried the one with the exhaust and remap,
Ah.
parang you're forced to get it in coming
Big
from stock.
difference.
Ang laki ng difference.
Talaga?
Big difference.
Kita mo talaga.
Tama talaga.
Feel, sound, so
Nagiging mas macho.
Actually, yung sound,
Lahat
narinig ko,
parehas.
doon ako naiingit kanina. Pucha, ganda ng sound nung ano.
Diba? Kahit from afar,
Ah.
parang nakakatakot pag alam mong padating tas dalawa pa
Oo,
sila
actually.
kanina.
Tsaka pag nag-upshift, talaga may pops and
May
bangs.
pops and bangs.
Talaga.
Dalawa yung
Galit-
power
galit
band
talaga.
niya eh. May lower siya. Tapos pag nag-reach ng mga 8 or 9, meron ulit.
May second power band siya.
Kasi yung Africa, linear lang yan eh. Ito, biglang may hataw. Tapos sa 9, may hataw ulit. Kaya,
Galing.
mabibigla ka.
So,
Amazing bike.
sold na to.
Imagine having 3DX. Owning 3DX bikes. Ay, sorry.
It's that good. It's that good.
Bisa read natin yung garage ni Mark. Well, like what Mark said, if you want to try this, go to Access Plus, di ba?
they have in Alabang, they have in Katipunan, there's in Pampanga, and then I know the provinces, there's Mindanao, there's Cebu, so
Alam mo, weird
Line
lang.
ng Kayabo.
Sinilip ko kanina yung adjuster ng suspension sa likod. Bakit nakakabit sa sa foot peg nung passenger? Paano pag tinanggal mo yung...
oh, is it? I didn't even know this.
Yeah,
I haven't,
titingnan ko kanina.
I
Sabi ko,
haven't
ba't ganun?
I haven't gone through the bike yet.
Oo, di ba?
The canister is on.
Yung adjuster niya. So, hindi,
And then,
nakahook siya dun sa... I think sa'yo rin. Hindi ko...
you need a back.
Oh, I don't...
Yeah.
Exactly. You're not gonna...
Performance bike.
May OBR ka sa trail. Pwede mo OBR sa trail.
OBR na, in-OBR ko na si Dodong nito sa Kinapuin.
Seryoso? Pakyat? Putang ina.
Palabas.
Any last thoughts or last insight you want to share before you...
Nice trail. Good trail.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job, bro. Ayan. Alright, thanks. That's it for today. Ciao.